అందరికీ నమస్కారం. అలాగే నూతన సంవత్సర శుభాకాంక్షలు. All of you guys, welcome to About channel. This is the second video of our YouTube channel. Me and my friend Mansa teamed up together and started this YouTube channel. So we both decided to shoot the sunrise at our places where we live. We both are from South India. We both live in South India. The view right now you guys are watching, that's her village. That's my friend's village. It's a South Indian village. And we are from Andhra Pradesh state. Villages in India are really beautiful, calm and peaceful, especially South Indian villages, because South India is an agricultural country. South Indian villages are filled with large agricultural farmlands. So guys, as you can see, the sun started to come out and it's really beautiful. So guys, enjoy this beautiful sunrise. So guys, the sun has risen fully. As you can see, it looks really beautiful. Now my friend is walking through her village. Hey guys, there is a little goat over there eating plant leaves. You see that? It's cute, isn't it? Bye. Oh, this view is so nice. Oh, that's a lot of grass. I think farmers cut this grass and use this grass to feed cattle. Guys, can you see how large those palm trees are? And oh, there are coconut trees too. Can you guys tell the difference between a palm tree and coconut tree? If you guys can, tell me where was palm tree, like on the right side or the left side, in the comment section. Guys, what do you think these plants are? These are sunflower plants, right? After some days, these plants will grow and sunflowers also bloom. And then they somehow turn into sunflower oil. And I don't know how. Guys, this sunflower farm is so big. And it's so calm right now, early in the morning. You guys might think these are gorse, but no, these are lemons, guys. These are lemon trees from my friend's backyard. They have lots of trees, plants and crops. And they own a farmland, agricultural farmland. And I have no idea what is this. You guys know what is this? Please leave a comment. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please press the like button and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more notifications and videos. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share and subscribe. And bye guys. Have a nice day.